guys, hello people, welcome to a new video of Saas Academy. Today we are going to see how Samcart, which is a software of I think course creators, is running ads. So I saw this ad and well I really like it, so I will sign up to his funnel. I will receive his emails and then I will share with you. Okay, so welcome to this new video. Okay, so first thing that I want to check is the ad created. Well, this is a video, but also the copy of the ad. So this is a paid ad. Its purpose is to get your attention. Okay, you are in my target audience. People have a skill that can make okay. Here's the problem. Okay, so this follows like the AIDA framework, which is attention, interest, desire, and call to action. So this is like attention. This is a paid ad, so that's like shocking. And then interest is like, here's the problem. You have no idea how to make an online course that can produce those kind of numbers. And interest, and this is like the solution, a free workshop where you learn how to launch. So I really like this is like the funnel, like the webinar name, 4-step process. That is like it's a good name, like 4-step process, and on how to launch your very own course. So this is like the topic, and in 7 days, like that's a time frame. I really like that. From scratch, without, that's like the pain, a team, or complicated tech. All I ask is you give me your email in exchange for the training. So this is very straightforward. Is transparency, which is it's a marketing bias, so like an emotional trigger. If this ad bugs you, I'm sorry, I don't want to know you, so please continue to scroll and bye. Have a lovely day. And well, this is the page reads, page funnel, you won't be missed. So let's go and check the video. So let's go.
Most people don't know this, but the best way to make real income online is not with affiliate marketing, drop shipping with Amazon, selling high-ticket services with long, drawn-out funnels. Nope. The best way to make big money online is to sell a digital course, nothing but a single landing.
So we saw like an interest, like a controversial idea. So this will trigger you to comment and increase the exposure of this video.
Now, I know that might sound crazy, but it's true. Hi, my name is Brian Moran, and the reason I know this to be true is because I'm the founder of a company called Samcart. We're one of the fastest growing e-commerce platforms online built specifically for course creators.
Okay, that's authority.
Digital product sellers like you. We have over 21,000 users, and to date, those users have sold over $2.5 billion worth of their courses and trainings. And the cool thing is I get to see behind the scenes of what's working for all these users. In fact, I have access to more advanced online sales data than just about anybody else on the planet, which is why we decided recently to dive in and investigate what exactly were our highest earners doing to generate so much success. I mean, these people are making 6, 7, and even 8 figures online. So I wanted to see if I could find anything that I could share with you to help you reach that level. I'll tell you why I'm doing this in just a second, but what I found was pretty surprising. I have no doubt that the techniques and strategies I learned can help you double, maybe even triple your business almost overnight. Here's what I decided to do. I just created a brand new free workshop where I'm going to share everything I discovered with you, including things like how to generate sales around the clock using a simple one-page funnel. You'll see how to get virtually unlimited traffic from today's #1 traffic source. I'll show you how to launch in just 7 days from scratch without a team or complicated tech. Most importantly, I'll show you a simple 4-step process that almost anybody can use to launch a course and start generating sales quick, even if you've never done it. Just click right here and register for the free training, and I'll see you on the call. Now, if you're wondering, well, what's the catch? Why would I give away all this information for free? Well, unlike most of the gurus online, I don't make money by selling information products or courses. Remember, we're an e-commerce platform that helps people sell their products online. We only make money when our customers use our platform and make money for themselves. So it's actually in our best interest to give you our best information to help you generate as much money as possible. Hopefully, you'll choose to use our platform and run your business just like thousands of other people are currently doing, to generate 6, 7, and even 8 figures a year. But at the end of the day, whether you choose to use Samcart or not is totally up to you. It has nothing to do with you benefiting from what I'll show you in this free workshop. Take advantage of this limited time opportunity. Go register right now. Simply click the button below. I'll see you on the call.
Okay, you like that? If you like this, comment in the post. And well, let's go and see this. I'm not going to click this, but because this is going to cost Samcart money. So I already have the link inside the wiki. So let's go check the wiki, Samcart pitch, and then I have, this is the funnel. So let's click it. It was nice. I really like the app. So here's how we build highest converted product landing page and why this is the perfect for digital product sellers. Watch the training, and then you have a pop-up. Urgency, register your spot now. Just enter your email to secure your spot on this webinar. This is so Russell Brunson strategy, and if you haven't seen that video, just check that video because I found hacked the webinar strategy of Russell Brunson, which is really cool. It's like a full ecosystem matching of webinars. And well, this is like only one time, 8:50, and this is like I think right now is 8:47. So you just have to pick one time. I think this is dynamic. Access the training, act fast, webinar spots, fill this up. And we have a video right here that you can click it. What I recommend is to have it like a GIF. So a video like running in a GIF with a button right here. If you click it, then you'll be redirected to this pop-up. So I recommend that. What you'll discover, as you saw the Russell Brunson webinar strategy, there's like 3 things that people remember. So this is 1, 2, and 3. I don't recommend this. Like I won't read like this is too long. I prefer like how to do this, how to do this. Okay. Well, this is cool. 3 brand new ways to double that every customer's world. Day number 1, the top 12 traffic secrets. And okay, so this is the register. So let's register. Okay, so right here we have like 1 to 1,000 what you call on the sales. Access the training. So let's go. I will be redirected in 2 minutes. Thanks for
Hey, it's Scott from Samcart, and you are all.
Thank you page is good. Join the webinar. This will start soon. And yeah, so that's basically. I also received like so I want to show you this. So let me.
Hello and welcome. My name is Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder.
Okay, so I also saw that he's running that ad in the thank you page. When you sign up for the webinar, you'll see a messenger bot. So I click it, and it's like a low ticket offer, like I show you in the Russell Brunson strategy. Awesome. Alright, you need to download this, and this is like a very easy, like a low ticket offer is free. It's not a low ticket offer because it's more like a lead magnet. Russell Brunson recommends you to do more like a low ticket offers that you have to pay like $1 or $3. So the client, the lead opens their wallet. Okay, and if you want to see the replay training, have this, and you'll recover the name, email, and phone. Okay, so I recommend it. It's good. And so this is the webinar. I don't know how to download this webinar, but if I try to get it, and if not, I will record it with my
major way to impact your profits. And then of course we're going to talk about how to set it all up.
So yeah, it looks cool. It's nice. So that's the full strategy. I hope you like it. And yeah, so if you want this like small, beautiful course ideas, these are like course ideas. Social media, stock trading, home cooking. Yeah, that's nice. Very nice, but they should add. Okay, here's a link, but you should add like a more bigger link in your lead magnet. And the website, how's the website? Mm, so the video is about, yeah, it's about how to sell. So as you can see here, Samcart is selling solutions. Like, it's not selling like features or something like that. Like, get started in 3 simple steps: create your page, share with your, grow your business, boost conversions, and double your sales. So it's not about like you can do pages. No, it's like boost conversions, and it's like double your sales. So it talks more about solutions rather than features. So streamline and scale your business with this. Build your business with the same platform. This is like celebrity biases and, well, testimonial bias and social proof, guarantee bias, and what can we see right here? Try free, get a demo. This is cool. Like, try free, get a demo. I think all links go to the same page. Now this goes to the pricing. Yeah, it's cool. Podium doesn't have a price. They have like a demo only, and you have to enter your name, email, and then fill up a survey. So we'll see that in another video. But basically, okay, get a demo. Okay, if we get a demo, then first name, last name, email. So what I recommend is not to do this like, just do this in 2 steps. Get a demo and then email, and then after email, then you will show this, and then use the sticky contact to show this. But you already have their email. And when people see like a full form, they won't fill this up. So it's about empathy, okay? You also won't fill this up unless you are very interested in a demo, okay? So maybe he's like, get a demo, fill this up if you are truly interested. If not, try free. And the try free is 39 per month, 79 per month, and well, have customer stories. This is cool. Why Samcart platform industries? Okay, this is a mega menu. This looks good, alright, but I don't know, like, login, try for free. Yeah, it's nice, like, I don't mind. Here's the widget. I don't know what it's using, but yeah, looks cool. What do you think? You think this is a nice example? I really like Samcart. I almost buy this from AppSumo. It was like 99 lifetime deal, but as you can see, this guy is using the webinar strategy. I think he's doing a great job selling his platform, and I don't know, like, I will add this to the wiki, so make sure you have the wiki, the Saas Academy wiki. And yeah, see you in another video. We'll talk more about these strategies. I really like to see other softwares and how they are having more SaaS trials, and yeah, so it's a great strategy to use the webinar strategy. Okay, so yeah, see you and have a nice day.